Absolutely, and it's been an interesting winter. We've had a lot of mild air, a lot of cold air. Always as we've gone throughout the winter, it's like, okay, are we going to get any snow at some point? I'd say the signal for this upcoming weekend, which a lot of folks have obviously heard about at this point now, kind of the buzz around town, it's probably the strongest signal we've had in model guidance that we've had so far this season. So forecast confidence, so to speak, is on the high side that we're going to have some impacts from a winter storm. But as we always say, the devil's kind of in the details, right? So ironing out those details as we go through the week. For now, things are quiet. It's been a cold day, had some sunshine first half of the day, clouds increasing kind of from north to south. That view is looking south with still some clearing sky and some spots south of I-40. But there's a little boundary in here that's just kind of reinforcing the cold air that we had in place this weekend. It's going to mean slightly colder temperatures tonight. Yeah, we may squeeze out a flurry or two in spots this evening, but no impacts at all whatsoever from that. 31 in Blytheville, feels like 24 there. 46 in Oxford right now, so significant difference from north to south. Not bad down south, but pretty cold. Up north, 32 in Covington, feels like 23. Here in Memphis, we're sitting at 36 and feeling like 28. Not much of a wind, but it is out there. 10 miles an hour with a few gusts up around 15 or so. Those winds should start to lighten up as we get into the overnight. But as I said, a cold night coming up. We'll drop pretty quickly once the sun goes down. Some widespread upper teens, low 20s as early as 10, 11 o'clock. Mid-20s around the city at that point. And everybody drops into the upper teens, low 20s through early tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow's going to be a decent day. Plenty of sunshine despite the cold start. A rather rapid warming trend, so colder morning but a warmer finish than what we had today. Lower to mid 40s by mid-afternoon. Again, light winds, plenty of sunshine. Yes, still chilly, but you got the jacket on, the wind's not blowing too bad, you got the sunshine in your face. Should be a decent afternoon on Tuesday. Then we'll start tracking a few showers that come our way on Wednesday. It's generally more mild conditions through the middle of this week. We'll be back to the mid to even high 40s on Wednesday afternoon. We'll have some spotty scattered showers that start to develop late morning, lunchtime on Wednesday, and be with us through the afternoon, but all of that should clear out pretty quickly by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. So that's about the only weather story for the middle of the week here is the showers on Wednesday. So now let's look ahead to, of course, what everybody wants to hear about, the weekend, right? How is this all going to play out? There's going to be a whole lot of cold air that pours in. There's going to be a storm system developing to our west. The biggest key to me at this point is the exact track of that low. Something that's going to ride along the Gulf Coast gives us our best potential for a highly impactful winter storm. This is the idea that the European model really latched onto over the last few runs. Yesterday afternoon in particular, until now, it's essentially unchanged. And what that gives us is, again, a major winter storm. Several inches of snow possible, but also the aspect of ice as well, especially the further south you go. Those exact details at this time frame, again, because this is Saturday, are impossible to kind of lay out for you. So what's going to happen in my town, my neighborhood, that will be laid out for you once we get into like late Wednesday, early Thursday, when everything comes into really good agreement. Because here's the difference. That's the European model. Here's the GFS. It plays out the same scenario, but with a low that's over the middle of the Gulf of Mexico as opposed to the Gulf Coast. So it kind of takes the moisture a little bit further south. We still get a winter storm, but the impacts are different. It's to a lesser extent. Less snow, less ice, a faster moving system. It kind of wraps up faster. I tend to lean more so towards the Euro, the stronger solution, just because it's been more consistent in recent years, has a better success rate. So I'll be curious to see how subsequent GFS runs act and how subsequent European model runs act. And if they all kind of come into agreement with that stronger, slightly further north solution, that will give us the forecast confidence that we can start nailing down those specific impacts that, of course, you want to know as we get close to the weekend. So storm track, the exact timing still a question mark. Mainly snow, mainly ice. Where's the snow? Where's the ice? How much of it is there? Both snow and ice. All questions that will be answered as we get towards the middle of this week. Something that won't be talked about a whole lot. It will be by us, but this is a focal point. Significant cold air that pours in this weekend. How long does that stick around? If it's a few days into next week, like it looks like it could be, we may be talking about travel issues not only this weekend, but for several days towards the middle of next week. So we'll have to see how that goes as well. Teens and low 20s tonight. Going to be a cold night. Tomorrow afternoon is sunny, calm, and fairly mild, or at least milder than today. Lower to mid 40s tomorrow. Wednesday we got those showers, and then all eyes turn to the weekend there. Friday evening, Friday night, that general time frame is when things start, and it will continue through the day on Saturday. It's going to be a busy week, guys. We've got you covered every step of the way. As soon as something changes, we'll let you know.
You're on top of it, of course, as always. Thank you.